Hi, I'm Brenda Thompson, registered dietitian and professional chef. I'm the owner of Life Skills Nutrition. And in this segment today, I'm going to talk about how to lose weight and keep it off. Before you start a diet or any exercise regimen, you always want to consult your physician and your registered dietitian. These are only health tips to help you get started. They are not to replace a consultation between you and your doctor or you and a registered dietitian. Life Skills Nutrition offers over-the-phone nutrition consultations for weight loss, and you can find out more information about that on my website. To lose weight and keep it off today, I'm going to cover a variety of topics, including 10 strategies for weight loss. I'm going to give you some questions on determining whether or not you're ready for weight loss, spotting fad diets, keeping a food diary, and then giving you some ideas on foods that you'll want to limit and foods that you'll want to add to your diet. There are many helpful tips in this segment, so I hope you enjoy.